checkpoint. That's the good lumber, mahogany. That magnificent animal, very strong.
Dun sa bayan, wala ka makakitang panabuno mataba. Ano to eh? Puro ano ay. Hindi man siya payat pero hindi matabat. Ano? Ganyan namang ahunin oh. Mga mabato pa. Hirap naman.
Puno, ang dami. One mahogany tree. Ganda.
Ganda naman ako. Tiga.
Pag mapahira na natin yan, siguro ilang taon din yan. Di ba dapat iangat nila yan? Yan, para hindi mabasa. Walang problema yun kasi gagamitin ka agad. Mahogany tree was delivered exactly as promised. This guy that I contracted with, the tree cutter, fabulous, great to work with, fair with the prices. This lumber cost me about $425 US. It's hardwood, it's cut locally and then delivered to the property. This is what we're going to use to frame the Bahay Kubo. That's a beautiful animal. Well cared for. You can tell he's not skinny, there's no ribs showing. Thank you. Salamat. Ingat kayo. There they go. Probably gets good high mileage. Probably better than an electric vehicle. Well, he's fast. Man, he's moving. Here, Brownie. So Brownie's the friendliest dog we got. Hey, come here, boy. And most of the dogs here are afraid to come up to you. He's not. So I'm gonna leave. I'm leaving. I just had to go home and pick up some money so I could pay the guys with the good wood. So good old Brownie. I was gonna bring him there, but then who knows where he's gonna go. He might run away. So we'll leave him here for now. This guy's amazing. He's already got the foundation. He's already got the post and foundation. He's got the foundation poured, sorry. He's gonna pour the posts after he puts the scaffolding up. And this is just, I think 3 days worth of work. Meanwhile, we wait for the bastards. They're supposed to be drilling the well. You'll notice that there's only June the Kubo builder, Lawrence, and Rex building the Kubo. I split the team in two so that we could be more efficient. There are so many things to do at the farm with very little time. So Bunso and June are down the other part of the lot. They are either planting trees digging up trees, replanting trees, or helping me mend the fence and reinforce it.
Tama? Mababa?
Pa,
Tama, mababa.
sakto lang po yan. Bangga po yung dito sa loob. Tinagrit ang tiyang ko. Kung hindi, di magkakadugo.
I also noticed that the more people that are milling around the job, the more people have their hands on their waist and just watching. So better to split the team and work them more efficiently. It's coming along. Looking good. We're just taking a break. I bought guys chow and some soda. We'll take a break. June and Rex are busy putting the scaffolding. June's making the form for the cement post.
May mga resort ba yung ganun lang na ba? Ah? Yung ganun lupa. Lupa na. Yung ganun lupa. Kahit lang katipidan na ano.
Here Rex is making the form to encase the rebar column. He will make 4 of these and then proceed to encase the whole column, and then afterwards we will pour the cement mixture in the column about 7 or 8 feet up. Having Rex and Lawrence and the other guys helping with the labor saved a lot of money for labor cost. The biggest amount of labor cost was actually the mason carpenter, which is June the Kubo builder. The rest of us, I worked for free, and the boys worked for their daily wage, and Rex, I'll take care of him. And guess who's here to greet me when I get home from a hard day? It's Brownie boy. Yeah, what a sweet boy. Yeah. Okie dokie. He's not afraid of people. Most of the dogs here are afraid of people. He's not.